Okay, Jack, I do have one request. I think it'd be a good one to finish with. Raise your hand if you have tried to shout out to Jack, Sandstorm by Darude.
Fewer than you would think. I've done it on the internet a couple times.
He's done it on the internet. I believe if we combine our powers, we can finally do that song justice. We're just going to do it real fast, both of us.
We gotta build up to it. It goes ba-na-na-na, ba-na-na-na.
No, we're just going to go for it.
Oh, we're just gonna go in there.
All right, you ready? Sandstorm by Darude. Here we go.
3,
Ready?
2, 1, and my arms are tired. Let's not do any more like loud, fancy, fast wood tracking. Let's do something a little sassier. What you got there, Adam?
Cheetos!
Whippy show!